what's this?
Totu.
And this is
Totu.
Totu. And guess what dear daddy did for his princess? He took us to Parrot Mountain. This place is located on a hillside near Pigeon Forge in Tennessee. It is a bird sanctuary where you will find variety of tropical birds like parrots, toucans, hornbills in open air spaces. Here you can hand feed parrots and pet birds like macaw, lorikeets and many more. There is also a nursery for baby birds where you can watch them being fed and taken care of. All these things you will be exploring through a pathway paved alongside beautiful gardens, which makes it a unique experience. So do watch the video and let me know how was this place.